Hi, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Mary Rose T. Isguera. I live in Luxuhin, Calatagan, Batangas. I am married. I am 30 years old and blessed with one child. She is a girl and she is now 10 years old. My father is 62 years old and my mother is 58 years old. I have three brothers and two sisters. I studied Bachelor of Science in Business Administration at the Batangas State University. But I was unable to finish my degree because I got married and started to have my own family. That experience taught me to become more responsible, patient, and independent. I have 4 years of experience as a domestic helper here in Philippines. There are three members in the family, two adults and one child. I take care of a child and do household chores. I treat a child with love and respect. I am honest, patient, trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible person. I am willing to learn, follow the instructions, and adapt to my employer's need. To my future employer, I am applying to be your domestic helper and I hope that you will give me the opportunity to work with you and your family. I am truly happy and excited to be with you and your family. I am I hope that you will choose me and I promise that I will do my best, work hard and learn everything I need to know. I hope that I will see you soon and thank you so much. God bless. Bye.